Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Nobody Really Tells You This. And in this video, I am going to be talking about the reality of being a project manager, but from the cons point of view. Now, it's not the consequences kind of thing, but because I have been a project manager straight out of college with no MBA degree, and it's been more than a year. It's been about a year and a half that I have been a project manager at Microsoft, and here are certain things that I feel like are not the downside of being a project manager, but definitely something that I feel is alarming and people should know. So let's get started. The very first thing is that you get really comfortable with the job role. Now, I've said that how amazing the work life balance is, but I feel like had I not have content creation to focus on, I would have gotten comfortable with the way my life was going on, because there is so much space, so much time to really focus on something else. You work your 9 to 5 job and that is it. जितना एनर्जी और टाइम वहां जाता है, बट उसके बाद you really get some time to focus on something. So you get really comfortable if you do not have something productive to focus on. That is something that you should know. Now, I've said it as a blessing in the last video, but this role is far away from coding. बहुत ही दूर है, and मेरे को नहीं पता आज के टाइम में where AI is like चेंजिंग द गेम, कोडिंग से दूर होना कितना ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल हो सकता है. सो ये रोल, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर रोल, कोडिंग से बहुत ज्यादा दूर है. नाउ अगेन आई विल रिपीट इट, व्हेन आई से कोडिंग से दूर है, इट डजंट मीन कि यू डू नॉट हैव टू हैव टेक्निकल नॉलेज. टेक्निकल नॉलेज होना तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट टिपिकल कोडिंग, बैठ के कोडिंग करने वाला कोडिंग, उस चीज से ये रोल बहुत दूर है. Another consequence that I feel like is, I mean, ये मेरा पर्सनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, दैट एवरीथिंग दैट आई लर्न इन कॉलेज, DSA, oops और ये सब कुछ, ML, AI, नॉट AI, बट ये सब कुछ जो हम कॉलेज में पढ़े थे, उसका कोई यूज मेरे करंट रोल से नहीं है. उसकी नॉलेज मेरे को हेल्प करती है, बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करती है, बिकॉज लाइक आई से टेक्निकल नॉलेज रियली हेल्प्स यू, बट द कोडिंग पार्ट of no use. Now the next is, because AI is literally changing the game right now, if you do not spend time learning being a project manager, there is gonna come a time जहाँ पे आपका learning level एकदम saturate हो जाएगा. जो आप project के learnings हो वो बहुत ही different होता है, but to keep enhancing your own skill is very very important. And I think if you do not have the right mentor, the right people, the right organization also, as a matter of fact, because in Microsoft we really focus on your growth mindset. पुश किया जाता है लोगों को चीजें लर्न करने के लिए, एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज रियली हेल्प मी, बिकॉज इफ यू फॉलो मी ऑन लिंक्डइन यू विल सी दैट आई एम रियली लर्निंग अ लॉट अबाउट AI, इवन बीइंग अ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, जो कि मेरे को मेरे डे टू डे लाइफ में एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट हेल्प नहीं करता है, बट इट्स जस्ट that being a project manager, I don't want to limit myself to just non-technical things. I also want to keep in touch with certain things that is going on, which is AI, definitely. So you have to find something that you can keep learning on even when you are a project manager. And I think अगर ये चीजें बताई नहीं जाए किसी को सही समय पे, तो ऐसा समय आ सकता है जहाँ पे आपका लर्निंग एकदम सैचुरेट हो जाए. So that is another thing that I feel like is a consequences of being a project manager early in your career. Now, last but not the least, it is not really a con of being a project manager, but I feel like when you become a project manager, your personality also changes and you become a very different person. So you really have to embrace that personality of yours, वरना बहुत ही ज़्यादा personality disorder typically तो नहीं, but हो सकता है, and you have to really embrace it. When I first joined Microsoft as a project manager, I was an ambivert, and I'm not sure if I'm an extrovert at all or not, but I'm a completely different person. I can communicate much more confidently, I can represent a lot more people at this point of time, and like I said, I'm not sure if this is the consequences of being a project manager, but it is one such thing which you should know if you at all become a project manager. And that is it for this video. I will see you guys next time with another episode of Nobody Really Tells You This. Till then, take care and bye.